We're Mezeo Software, and we're a finalist as a mobile tech trailblazer. Mezeo is the leading software provider addressing the demand for secure, integrated file sync and share for the enterprise, public sector, and service provider space. Our software allows you to create your cloud where you want it, in your data center, giving IT control of the data while enabling anytime, anywhere access for employees. Your data in your cloud where you want it. Your data, your control. Mezeo. Let's take a quick look at how it works. John, he's an account manager with Generator Manufacturing, and he's currently sitting at an airport in Boston. He is closing business with a new customer in London. Now, he needs to work with his legal and contracts teams in San Francisco and his sales director in Chicago. He needs to also work with his contact in London and their legal and contract teams in Paris. So how can John accomplish this quickly and efficiently? Email is ineffective at tracking versions and comments, and FTP is way too old school. Public cloud? No way. Your company doesn't control the security, availability, reliability of a public cloud, and there's no service level agreement. So if John leaves the company to go to a competitor, he still can access these important documents. Finally, if you're auditing, you have no visibility into what is happening on a public cloud. Mezeo is the secure way to collaborate on documents regardless of where you are. From his office in San Francisco, Tim in legal makes edits to the document and posts it with comments. From his iPad, John invites the customer and the customer's contract team to securely access the document for collaboration purposes. He chooses read-write access and chooses not to set an expiration date, but he can go back and add one later if he'd like. This secure share requires authentication. John's customer accesses the document from his Android. John's customer's legal team makes their changes and loads the new version of the document from the web. John's boss reviews the latest changes from his iPhone. Legal looks at it again in the morning and approves. Deal done. Business closed. We live in a mobile world, and in order to be successful, enterprises need to provide their mobile users with a way to do their job while at the same time protecting corporate information. Now, Mezeo is the solution that satisfies user demand and IT security and availability requirements with the added benefit of your own branding. Users get a file sync and share solution for collaboration purposes. And IT has complete control over the data. Data is stored in your corporate data center, on your storage, even NFS or CIFS, behind your firewall. And with Mezeo, everybody wins. Your data in your cloud where you want it. Your data, your control. Mezeo. Please vote for Mezeo in the Tech Trailblazers Mobility category.